Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today we're gonna talk about something quick. This is audio cable. This company called Sonic. This is, as you see here, it's gold pen. It's gold color, goldy. The reason why I bought this cable and I do video about it, it's not big deal. But the point that I want to tell you about this cable, that I bought it for Elgato. Guys, I do have Elgato stream disc, and I do have Elgato HD60S Plus. I don't know, this guy, he's older in Elgato, maybe for I don't know how long. Since Elgato appeared, he bought it and he used it. He said for me that the cable that's not 3-pin like this, it will not transfer for you audio while streaming, which is mean you will not have. This is important information. This is the Elgato. It's just reached me, by the way, from the post. This is Elgato, okay? But this is the disc streaming. This is not the HD. Anyway, he told me when you wear speakers and you recording audio, if it's not 3-pin, it will not transfer. That's why I bought, and that's why I want to tell you. If you have problem with audio, you're not hearing or it's lagging, you have to know that the cable, don't buy anything cheap. Buy a nice cable to transfer for your nice audio, especially while you're recording. You're not just gonna listen to music with. You need it for recording, streaming, and like this. It's two enough. I don't know how much meter it is. 3.5? No, 3.5 audio cable. It's 2 meter. 2 meter. It's two enough, and looks nice quality. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna test it with Elgato, and I'm gonna tell you how it looks like. I do have streaming tonight, so I will tell you how's the cable, how's doing, and everything. Oh, I have everything. My performance all high. My speakers is Asus 7.1 latest model, and I have Elgato. I have the latest model from Elgato recording device. So I'm gonna test it. I will tell you how's work or no. So guys, we'll see you again in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. And if you have any question, ask me. I'll answer you. And see you in another video. Peace.